AI image generators have come a long way. In this course of time, it has refined itself so well that it can create photorealistic images just like these. As you can see, it's almost impossible to distinguish from real photos. Would you believe me if I said these images were made with AI a few years back? Probably not. While there are lots of AI image generators out there, only a few let you create high-quality images for free. For a long time, Midjourney held the leading position in terms of creating photorealistic AI images. But recently, a new player entered and ranked #1 and outperformed other AI image generators like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Flux. I've been using it for a while now, and honestly, it's amazing. That's right, these breathtaking images you're seeing were created entirely using AI, and the best part is it's absolutely free. Today, I'm going to introduce you to an AI image generator called Recraft. Without wasting any more time, let's dive in and show you exactly how to get started with it. I have provided my invite link in the description below and above the I button. Click on the link and sign up using your email. Why? Because, like any other AI image generator, Recraft AI 2 uses credit to generate images. Using my link will help you earn 200 free credits. Apart from that, Recraft provides you with 50 credits that renew every day. Each image generation will cost you 1 credit. For now, you can stick with the free option. If you find this tool helpful and want to unlock more features, you can explore their subscription plans, available on a monthly or annual basis. As we are mainly concerned about creating AI images, you have to choose this image option from the left sidebar. All the settings to customize your output image are provided in the left sidebar. At the very top, the option to change image resolution is provided. By default, it's 1024 by 1024 ppi. You can change it according to your needs just by typing in or dragging the mouse pointer left or right over this area. If you want to change the aspect ratio, then drag this slider. Next, you have to choose what style of image you want your output. You'll find a variety of styles to choose from. Recraft V3 RAW is the latest upgraded model released by the developers. If you are unable to select any style, then keep the default V3 RAW. As we are using the free version of this tool, we can generate a maximum of 2 images at a time, and the option to turn your generation private is blocked. You can check out their subscription plan, which is $10 per month if billed annually and $12 if billed monthly. Let's try out few image prompts and generate photorealistic images like Midjourney. In the prompt box, I typed, "A close-up portrait of a supermodel with flawless skin, bold red lipstick, and smoky eye makeup, wearing diamond earrings, against a soft studio background with professional lighting." You can further refine your prompt using this negative prompt option. Whatever you type in this box will not be included in the image. I want my model to have flawless eyes, so I am going to type in here, deformed eyes. Then click on Recraft. Look at this. Would anybody deny it's not a real image? The details are incredible. From the vibrant colors to the skin texture, it's truly magazine-worthy. Let's try out another example. All the image prompts that I am using will be provided in the description below. Feel free to try these prompts for yourself. Wow, this image is absolutely incredible. It's so realistic that no one would ever guess it was made by AI. Seriously, if you showed this to someone, they'd think it's a real photo. It's just that convincing. You can find all your generations in the history section on the right sidebar. If you want to save an image, then right-click over it and select Export as file format, either JPG or PNG. There are a couple of other tools that you might want to check out. The first among them is the Modify area. If you've worked with Photoshop before, this will feel somewhat familiar to you. It's similar to the generative fill in Photoshop, but with Recraft, you refine the image by inserting the object description in the prompt used to create the image. Let me tell you how it works. I am going to use this prompt. A supermodel posing for a fashion magazine cover, wearing a bold, colorful dress, holding a confident pose with her hand on her hip, and styled with a sleek, high ponytail, set against a vibrant gradient background. But I didn't like the earring. So I'm going to select this area and insert "is wearing diamond earrings" in the prompt. The Remove Background tool is incredibly useful when you need your subject or object in a PNG format with a transparent background, making it easy to place the image seamlessly onto different backdrops. Simply click on the tool and it will instantly isolate the subject for you. The Change Background tool will generate a new background for you according to your image prompt. All you have to do is click on this tool. It will temporarily remove the background. Next, type in what kind of background you want to create in the prompt box. Then hit Change Background. If you want to upscale your image, then use this Clarity Upscale tool. It will increase the image resolution, making it cleaner and sharper. If you're passionate about AI-generated images and want to learn how to create them using tools like Midjourney and Flux, check out my playlist, AI Image Generator. You'll find the link below this video and on the end screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.